namin kayo. Kumusta na po kayo after
Mabuti.
the
The
announcement?
yes,
Busy
it's
kayo.
1 year na from since I had my thyroidectomy, and I realized na talagang totoo na ang masamang damo ay matagal mamatay. Yun lang yun. Confirm, 'di ba? I'm very much okay. I didn't lose my voice. The physical voice and the voice of reason nandiyan pa rin. So, I'm just so grateful. Thank you, Lord.
Ang
Diba?
dami nagdasal at nabahala when you announced that. Ano po yung pasasalamat niyo sa mga fans and supporters yung who prayed for you?
I always say that I am irrelevant without the listeners. Wala ko ngayon, very showbiz man siyang pakinggan, pero totoo, I am irrelevant without the listeners, without people who actually support and sincerely na nag-pray din para sa akin. Ito yung mga taong katulad mo, Von, na elementary pa lang, nakatutok na sa tambalan, di ba? And somehow I'm part of your DNA. So I will always be thankful for that.